Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. If you're a mom, you know that you need to have a really good bottle brush to get all that residue out of your baby bottles. I have found the perfect one. It's this Haakaa food grade silicone bottle brush. I really love that it has two different ends. So it's not just like a regular brush. You can use the bigger side for cleaning out the bottles. And I like to use the smaller side for my son's reusable food pouches because it gets right inside there and a lot of other brushes don't fit. Because of the silicone bristles, I find that it cleans better than regular bristles because it actually scrubs and they're a little bit thicker than a regular bristle would be. Also, I really like that it's pink. Not a lot of bottle brushes are, and I like the look of it sitting out on my sink. If you're a mom, you know how frustrating cleaning bottles can be, but this Haakaa silicone bottle brush makes it a little bit easier. But that's just my point of view.